Midterm preview. It's Meet the Midterms time to re-meet our midterm meter. This is the tool that our political unit has cooked up using our NBC News poll data in history and currently to understand and visualize which way the political winds are blowing by looking at the key factors that influence the performance of a president's party in a midterm election. You have the issue of direction of the country, the president's job approval rating, and the generic congressional ballot here. And just a reminder, right, these are big changes in a midterm. 2010, 63 House seats, though Democrats held the Senate. 94, both flipped. 06, both flipped. 14, the Senate flipped. 18, the House flipped there, as you can see. And what we're labeling as exceptional are the two times, essentially since 1990, that the incumbent party gained seats. You can make a case it belongs in decent rather than exceptional. But again, we're dealing with it within the Overton window here. So where are we right now? Well, let's take a look. The current round track in our poll, 71%. What's really striking is third straight poll where the direction of the country has been above 70%. Only been one other time we've had that in our poll. It is not a good time. And if you have 71%, look, 65% wrong track is a bad number. 71%, that's why it is in the shellacking category. Let's look at presidential job approval rating. All right. When Bill Clinton and George W. Bush had midterms that went their way, their job approval rating was right around 50 or north of it. All right? When you start dipping below 45, you've got a problem, and you're going to have midterms that are in the bad to shellacking ratio. President Biden's at 40. George W. Bush was at 39% in 2006. We know how that turned out. So you see that's also in shellacking territory. Then let's look at the generic ballot. What you're going to see here is a narrow lead for the Republicans, 42 to 44, and you're going to say, oh, that's competitive. No. And national polling is extremely rare because of the way gerrymandering has worked, the way Democrats are packed into districts. You know, they have more 85% districts than the Republicans do. The bottom line is generic ballot. If the Democrats are losing, it means they're going to get walloped. Last time in 2010, Republicans had a 2-point advantage. That translated to 63 seats. So in summary right now, you've got essentially three numbers here that all point into dangerous territory for the Democrats and the incumbent party. Presidential job rating at 40%, wrong track over 70%, and the Republicans leading in the generic ballot. Not a good time. But when we come back, we're going to show you, if you're a congressional candidate, what's an issue that will more likely help you, and what's an issue that will less likely help you. And we'll tell you the one issue that could change all of this in a heartbeat. That's what's next. Don't miss the panel. We've got a lot more of this poll to digest. You're watching Meet the Press Daily.
When was the last time you